In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mind maps on ClickUp. We'll walk through opening ClickUp, creating a mind map view, choosing the right mode, and making quick updates to tasks right from the map so your planning stays clear and visual. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type ClickUp into the search bar, then click through to the ClickUp website. Once you're in, navigate to your workspace and look for spaces. Spaces are the top-level areas where your work lives, so head into the space that holds the project you want to map. From there, click on your project to open it. At the top of the screen, you'll see a plus sign for adding a view. Click that to open the view options and choose Mind Map. This adds a visual way to organize and understand your work within the project you already have. Before you dive in, you can customize the view. Use filters if you want to narrow the map to specific priorities, statuses, or assignees, and apply templates to reuse a layout or configuration you like. You can also choose how the mind map behaves. There are two modes, Tasks and Freeform. Tasks mode visualizes your existing structure, folders, lists, and tasks in a clear, hierarchical map. Freeform gives you a blank canvas for brainstorming and lets you create new tasks from scratch. For this walkthrough, we'll use Tasks mode. With tasks selected, you'll see your project appear as nodes connected in a tree. This is a great way to spot relationships, groupings, and gaps at a glance. You can expand and collapse branches to focus on exactly what matters. If you want to break work down further, you can add subtasks to any task. Hover over a task and click the plus sign next to it, type the subtask name, and hit Enter. Keep names short and action-oriented so the map stays readable. One of the best parts of working in a mind map is that you can update key details without leaving the view. Click a task to change its status, moving it through your workflow as progress is made. Update the assignee to make responsibilities clear and visible right on the map. You can also add a due date so timing is front and center, which helps with planning and accountability. These quick inline edits keep you in context and reduce back and forth. That's it. You opened ClickUp, navigated to your project, added a mind map view, customized it, chose Tasks mode, explored your structure, added subtasks and adjusted status, assignee, and due dates, all in one place.